This video we see how to create a staircase stair in SOLIDWORKS. This length is 250 and 75. We take front plane sketch, corner rectangle. We select corner rectangle and make a rectangle. Select and draw as per the sketch. Trim it. Now trim it. Take power trim and trim it. And go for dimension. Take dimension this to be 250. This to be 75. It's 75 flat, 8 thick. 75. Okay. And this to be 145, 30 mm. And this to be 75. This slot to be in 75. This to be 30. And this bottom and slot. We make a slot now. Slot to be and this to be 37.5. 45. Radius to be 8. This to be 29. Sorry, 29. Okay. +29 plus 8 plus 8. Now go to circle and draw a circle. Circle to be diameter 16. Select the dimension, right click, display option and display as radius. So it will show in radius. The dimension shows in radius. The slot to be in 75. Go for dimension, pick the center point and the end point 75. This to be 200. Okay. And this circle to be defined from here to here 145 and here to here is to be 37.5. Okay, now this drawing is fully defined. Now go to extrude, flip it other side, extrude for 8 mm. Click OK. Okay, this is done. Now go to reference geometry, plane and select the front plane. Front plane and this to be 400 to be center and we need 2 portion. Our stair width is overall 800. Now mirror this, select the front plane, not front plane, select the plane one, remove merge solid, uncheck the merge solid and click OK. Okay, now we hide these both planes, no need. Save the file. Now this to be 4 and this 25. Okay, go for inside, sketch, normal. Okay, then start sketching. This to be 25 and take rectangle. This to be 25 and thickness to be 4. Thickness to be 4 mm. Okay. Okay. See, 7 numbers. It is 7 numbers and 27. Let's draw 7 numbers. 2, 3 and 7. Okay. This to be 27. Okay, 27, 4 mm. Okay. Now extrude this. Extrude. Now select this. Okay. Now go for up to surface. Uncheck the merge result. Select this surface. Then okay. Okay. This is done. See, select the inside plate and sketch a normal. Now take this to be wireframe. We do this checkered plate. Okay. Okay, join this. Okay. Right click, select. Okay. Let's dimension this. This to be 60. This to be 50. 50. Okay. And same this thickness also to be 4 mm. 4 mm. Okay. Now it is fully defined. Go to extrude, up to surface, uncheck merge result. Now change to shaded with edges and select the surface and click OK. Now this is done. From here 29 and center to center is 75. Sketch. Take this sketch, normal. Then take a rectangle, mark a rectangle, and this is to be 6 mm square. Okay, this to be 6 mm square, and from here to here to be 29. Okay, 29. Again make a rectangle 6 mm square. This center to be 75. Okay. Again copy this all. Okay, and draw a center line. To mirror, we need center line. Go for the mirror entities, select all the sketch and select mirror about and click the center line to mirror. That's it. This is done. Then go for extrude cut and select up to surface and select the surface. Done. Okay. Okay. Again select the face and sketch. We make a rectangle here. Center line, mark a center line. Select and delete the relation. This to be 4.5. And this to be 4.5. Okay. Now give the relation to make center. Extrude up to the surface, change the direction and up to the surface. Uncheck the merge result. Now we need this rod to be in twisted. We need flex. To insert features and you can get the flex. Take this flex and select the twisting and give the angle 600. It gives a good twisting. See, this is what we need. Let's repeat the same thing. Go to copy entity. We go and copy this all. Again from this point to here. Copy. Again copy. Copy this all. We copied all and we make flex. Again flex, twisting, give the angle to 600 degree. Repeat for all, same thing. Okay, 600. Let's mirror this. Go to mirror, select the front plane, top plane, plane 1, bodies to mirror, take this all. Okay, click OK. That's it, we made a single stair. This is how we make a stair in SOLIDWORKS. Give material. This you have to check when you are giving the material. You need to check the density, the mass density. It need to be 7.85. All steel, mostly in the steel, mild steel, this all to be 7.85. Please consider that. That's it. Thanks for watching.